Today I'm making Mediterranean style fennel gratin with you using the air fryer, and I'm making them with my Kosori Turbo Blaze. Many of you have asked me for this. After the oven baked version was a huge success, because this is a really good, light, easy, and quick recipe to make. With the air fryer, it's even faster. Make them with me. Let's get started. So, after washing the fennel well, I cut off the top part, remove the bottom part, and cut it into 4 pieces. Then I chop the fronds, which I'll add for freshness. And I also cut the stems, the little stalks, into small pieces. I don't know what you call them. Then I slice the fennel. The thickness should be about like this, not more, otherwise they won't cook properly. Now I slice the onion. Nice and thin, very thin. Then I cut the cherry tomatoes in half or into quarters. I use date tomatoes, but you can use whichever ones you prefer, just make sure. Use a serrated knife. Then cut all the cherry tomatoes. Put them in the air fryer basket with the grill rack. I start by making a layer of fennel. Then I scatter the onions here and there, little bit everywhere. Then I add the cherry tomatoes, fronds, and the pieces of stems. Call them whatever you want. Then I add salt, a glass of water. Even though some of the water will fall down, it will create steam, so there's no problem. A drizzle of oil. Then I add the black olives. After that, I close it and cook at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes using the air fryer function. I prefer fennel slightly crunchy, meaning cooked but al dente. If you prefer them more cooked, I would suggest parboiling them for 45 minutes. Then I add a generous sprinkle of grana or Parmesan cheese. Put a bit of breadcrumbs, another drizzle of oil. Close it again and cook using the bake function at 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Here we are. Now I add a bit of parsley to give it color and freshness. And I plate it up. Let's see. I'll take a bit of everything. What an aroma. Oh my, make them and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave you, I want to wish you bon appetit.